welcome to Stormwatch, the most intense program on your snowy January 27th, 2015. It is intense in here. As you can see, there is an incredible amount of precipitation falling behind me, and it is blowing like you wouldn't believe. There is such incredible amount of snow, it even blew my glasses away. Yes, folks, we have reports of an entire inch of snow accumulation on the ground. It is I have it on good authority that there have actually been some wind gusts and some blowing snow. I know this is entirely unexpected and very intense. As this growing but extremely intense storm system continues, we will bring you breaking coverage, including our shot of the day. That's all for us right now here at Stormwatch from ayearinmaine.com.